I may not be a trucker, but I love trucker headsets. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is a wireless headset. They call them trucker headsets. A lot of them even say for truckers, but this one doesn't, but that's what I've kind of heard them always called. And I love them because they are big, they are comfortable, they allow you to take calls, do meetings, and they are usually Bluetooth, so they will connect with your phone. So if you do just need to jump on a Zoom call, a Teams meeting, or just take your regular phone call. I mean, if I'm setting up a dentist appointment, it's a lot easier to do. That should go in the bloopers. If I'm just setting up a dentist appointment, it's a lot easier to do it with one of these than to have my phone up here by my head or even put it on speaker and do all that, and it keeps conversations private. So I picked up this wireless headset because it looked like it was the business. It had pretty good reviews, and I'm going to try it and see how the quality is. But it does come with a USB-A to USB-C cable here, so you can charge it right there. You can see that we have a USB-C port right there, which I like that because it's more future-proof than the other ones. We have a plastic headband and then a rubberized little pad right here, so this will go over either ear, but it'll go over my left ear because I like listening on my right ear. You can see that this thing is extendable right here. Doesn't seem to extend on the other side, or at least I haven't figured out how to do it if it does. We also have some padded cushioning right under here, and then you can see the microphone boom arm. It actually goes on the inside, which is kind of funny. Many of these are on the outside, so you would just put that down like that. We have a padded ear cup right here. It feels leather. It's very soft, but it's probably pleather, and it even moves a little bit, so you should get a nice fit here. I'm going to put it on my giant head, and you can see no problem getting it on there. It's definitely on ear. It doesn't totally cover my ear. I do like this boom arm here because it's kind of like a gas can nozzle. It moves anywhere you want, and so you can get it perfectly placed, and we have a little windsock on the edge there. I also want to show you this side here because this is where we have the controls. So we have volume up and down, and then a mode button right here, and then a power button right here, and there should be a little LED right behind that. So if I hold this, I heard it just say it's on, and you can see it's kind of lit up. The room is very bright. It's like a purple right there. So I'm going to go ahead and pair it to the phone, and then we will record the audio with this. All right, so I have been using this a little bit. I'm actually using a different video recording program on my phone. I'm using Filmic Pro here because Filmic allows me to use other audio inputs here. So I'm using the headset here. I haven't done anything with settings. It's probably just hopefully equalizing on its own. I want to show you that even if I turn around, the audio should continue to record, because if I were using a boom or a shotgun microphone, that would definitely drop off. So hopefully you are convinced that I am using this as the headset. So I think this is the audio quality that the phone is obviously picking up, and this is the audio quality that you should expect if you're recording video into it, but also if you are using this to do a FaceTime call or a web meeting, a Zoom, a Teams meeting, a podcast, those types of things. So first of all, you can be the judge of what you think the audio quality is from this trucker headset. Now, the other thing I will say is I was listening to some music before I put this on. I wanted to see what the audio quality was out of the one earpiece here, and it was amazing. It sounded great. It sounded like a decent set of headphones, maybe not like the best headphones, but the music quality was actually very good. You know, you got a lot of detail in the sound, you got a decent amount of bass. If there was another earpiece over here, you'd probably be happy using these as kind of your standard Bluetooth headphones. So it wasn't real tinny or something like that, where a lot of the headphones can sound kind of jacked up, you know, like the little jawbones or something like that. You wouldn't want to listen to a lot of music from those, but this is obviously comfortable and it sounds pretty good. So you be the judge of what you think that this trucker headset is good for, and if it might help improve your experience with your cell phone and your relationship with your cell phone. You know, I just might be a phone person relationship counselor in the future. I think this is going to make my phone calling easier, my meetings easier. It's going to be so easy to grab this, turn this on, put it on, and I'm not going to have to be looking for little AirPods or plugging in an earbud or something like that. So I am super excited about using this in the future. And if you want to pick up the H1 trucker headset for your phone, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter.